Jesus is Lord of all. You like that? Oh, I do. Thank you for requesting songs like that. I just never had used that song. I don't think. I would have to go back and look at all of my records, but I don't think that I have that I've used that song at all. Brother Vic got a very special request, and I want everybody to sing. It's
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cambridge, 47 miles north of Edgerton, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Edgerton, Johnson Creek, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Albion, Milford, Utica, Rockdale, and Bustaville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of
beautiful home of the soul, built by Jesus on high, where it never dies. It's a land where we'll never grow. Never